Wants it to want it. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? So scalp हान्दै बिटिसीलाई बिटिसी scalp हान्दै सानो लट जो ग्र्याब गरेर थियो मार्केटले उड्यो उसलाई देखायो युएस ओइल कस्तो मिठो उडेर छ नि त त्यहाँबाट यार युएस ओइल त बेकारमा क्लोज गरेर यस्तो लाग्यो जस्तो मलाई हेर न त्यहाँ उडा हेर न राम्रो पर्दा ह्याक जस्तो उडेर छ नि त 200 पिप्स जाएर छ तर एकचोटि मात्र बुक गर्नु मिल्थ्यो ल त्यो चाहिँ लाइक एराउन्ड म 100 पिप्स एराउन्डमा बुक गर्थेँ होला 100 पिप्स एराउन्ड यता यतातिर बुक गर्थेँ होला गरिदिन्थेँ होला बिटिसी कता होला बिटिसी ओके बिटिसी right over here let's see what BT is trying to do बिटिसीले के गर्ला भन्ने कुरा हो सो लेट्स सी इन्ट्री ठ्याक्क राम्रो ठाउँमा छ 5 मिनट क्लोजिङ हेरौँ ओके ग्रेट Okay, so हामी चाहिँ like we are on sale right now on gold. So let's see. This is the scalp I'm trying to do as BTC USD. Target is almost around the target from here. So almost target is 70 pips. 70 pips target and SL is 10 pips. 10 pips SL and 70 pips target. So 1 is to 7. 1 is to 7 trade if we like put right over here. So your trade चाहिँ हाम्रो के बन्छ भन्दा like this we can assume this trade is like this around here okay. So your trade चाहिँ हाम्रो यसरी trade भयो जुन चाहिँ I am on sale from this top and my target is at this low 1 is to 7 or 8 we can assume. So this is the setup I'm trying right now. So let's see 10 pips SL. Okay, so this is the trade. Let's see. Okay, let's see, guys, what market is trying to do. Need this breakout for the break even. I need is this breakout for the break even. Yeah, this breakout we can assume. Right now around $7 running. This is just a small scalp. Okay. So how is your weekends going on, guys? How is your weekends going on? Can you please tell me? How is your weekends going on, guys? हामी उटो पनि हेरिदिउँ न इथेरियम 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 इटिएच इटिएच इथेरियम okay. So here let me add new chat euro. No, not euro USD. What? No euro USD. I need Ethereum. Commodity for future Ethereum. No, this human close. Ethereum properties, black and white. Yes, grid of non. Okay. Ethereum 2 hour. What we can see right now, the 2 hour. Okay. This is Ethereum daily here on that. This is daily on the Ethereum. गर्मीले वाइल्ड दिमाग बनाइरहेको छ बनाइरहेछ गर्मी केटाहरू एसीमा बस्छ केटाहरू एसीमा बस्छ एसीको हावा खाऊ एसीको हावा Okay, so this is the zone for the this is the zone, this is the level I mean, okay, and this is the second level, this is the daily, okay, daily यस्तै हो कि खासमा केही पनि छैन त्यस्तो त okay, so यति zone हो. So if we assume, so we can expect like this. Let's get on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so 4 hour is like this. Okay, so 4 hour हुँदा चाहिँ like यसरी बनाऊँ. Okay, so this is like this. 4 hour is like this. हाम्रो BTC को trade के भएर हो? Okay, BTC is just consolidating still right now. दिमाग खराब गर्नु त still. Okay, so BTC still trade is running right now. Okay, so let's see Ethereum. We are trying to analyze Ethereum. So Ethereum, we like understand. Okay, so if we see here, this was the liquidity over here. This was the liquidity. Okay, market taken this liquid and was up from some time. Okay, so okay, so let me draw this low even taken market take this deal euro 100 second and let's analyze on the trading view better than here. Trading view. Okay, so let's analyze on the trading view. So where we can get trading view? Gold भोलिको आउनुपर्छ trading view. We're trading Ethereum. Oh, so here we go for the Ethereum. Okay, so let me open for weekly by sub. Okay, so market given a good reaction from the sailing zone, okay, as Ethereum given the good reaction from the sailing zone, जे बनाओस् त्यही हान्छ यार मेरो मेरो जोनहरू कोर राखिदिन्छु जे जोनमा पुग्यो ल्याम कि ल्याम है जोनमा मात्र पुग्नुपर्छ मेरो जोनमा पुग्यो हानिहाल्ने ट्रेड त है म अब नोटिफिकेसन राख्छु राम्रो त्यसो फेरि यतादेखि मान्छे हामीले यो एउटा बाइङ जोन थियो जुन मार्केटले बाइङ जोन सिधै यसलाई हाई हान्ड्रेड चलाएर सो वी नो द्याट ओके सो वी नो दिस एज मार्केट उठ्नुभन्दा अगाडि मार्केटले यहाँ टेकअप हानेर जुन चाहिँ मार्केट सेकेन्ड लिक्स यता मार्केटले के गर्यो भन्दाखेरि market tried consolidation calculation. So market can't try to break this down. So market can't. So market taking this liquid. So we can expect a fall now on Ethereum. You can expect a fall on Ethereum. Otherwise, होइन छैन असिलाइसँग बोले होइन हजुर ज्ञान बोले अर्सिदाले त अस्ति अर्सिदाले त यस्तै तिमीहरू जस्तै भेट्यो अर्सिदालाई इभेन अर्चित दाई युज टु कम अन द डेली लाइभ स्ट्रिम है पहिला तिमीहरू जस्तै अर्चित दाई पनि डेली मेरो लाइक ट्रेडिङ स्टाइल देखेर चाहिँ हुन त एउटा लाइक हि स्पिकर द्याट्स वाइ आई टेल दाई भनिन्छ रेस्पेक्ट गर्नुपर्छ बिगर भएपछि अहिले खै कहाँ जानुभयो होला भोलि पर्सि आउनुहुन्छ होला नि भोलि नगएर पर्सि लाइभ एनालाइसिसलाई भोलि बोलाउँछु म दाइलाई अनि डेली टाइम फ्रेम डेली इफ यु सी हेयर डेली दिस वाज द गुड डेलीमा यही नै हो मार्केट फर्स्ट सेकेन्ड this is the zone, so we understand as this was the zone on BTC. As we know, this is the zone on BTC. Support mark Ethereum, I mean, Ethereum. Okay, so what trade is trying to do? Okay, Ethereum trade के हो रहा है BTC को trade. Okay, okay, come on. यसलाई at least मलाई त्यस्तै $50 जति दियो भने चाहिँ बुक गर्छु. नत्र ब्रेक इभन खाओस् एसएल खाओस् नत्र एसएल खाओस् आज चुन गर्दिनँ म okay so where we were okay so here on the Ethereum okay so what market did this here okay the simple thing okay so market can't break this zone as we know that there's a multiple pullback left on the Ethereum so as market यहाँबाट would have so we can assume the flyover market यहाँबाट fly हाने जुन we can expect यतादेखि यतासम्म okay. So as this was the zone over here, so market was trying to consolidate. Okay, so first target for the Ethereum will be this. Yeah, first target will be this side. यहाँबाट मार्केटले एउटा केही सर्ट एन्ड बनाएर अनि त्यसपछि उठ्न सक्छ होला इथेरियम दुई घन्टामा देखि मान्छे हामीले अब यो चाहिँ एउटा राम्रो जोन देखिरहेको छु मैले चाहिँ ओके उसको मैसेज आ रहा था नहीं तो goes around, turns around, goes around, turns around, turns around. Goes around, wins around, dun 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 dun. कहाँ market early? Okay, so market yes, so we know this is the first zone for the buying on Ethereum. So zone is this is the zone. Let me mark over here. Let me put okay, okay. So let me again. This is the liquidity as we know, and this is the first buying zone. This is the buying zone on Ethereum. This is the two buying zone on Ethereum. Comes around, wins around, comes around, wins around. Gives no more armor. झोर 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 यार मेरे भाई. Okay, so this is the first buying zone on, and this is the second buying zone on Ethereum. So let me put एउटा यस्तो राम्रो यतापट्टि आएको सबै हान्ने केटा मार्केटमा पुग्यो भने 22 सबै हान्नुपर्छ केटा हो जुन मात्र पुगोस्. Okay, go okay, smooth. Fuck. 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 One is two. One is two. One is two. Okay, let's see here. So one is two. What running? One is two running, I guess. Yeah, one is to 2.3 running, guys. Hacker it. Hacker it. Hacker it. You win in this market by sleeping good opportunity. Okay, hacker it. Hacker it. Hacker it. Hacker it. Hacker it. Hacker it. Okay. ह्याकरै जानुपर्छ नि त एउटा हो जहाँ छिर्यो त्यहीँबाट फल हुनुपर्छ जहाँ छिर्यो त्यहीँबाट फल जहाँ बाई गर्यो त्यहीँबाट जहाँ बाई गर्यो त्यहीँबाट बाई जहाँ झऱ्यो जहाँ सेल गर्यो त्यहीँबाट सेल यो चाहिँ कसैले सिकाउँदैन फेरि केटाहरू तिमी तिमीलाई कुनै ट्रेडिङ कन्सेप्टले यस्तो सिकाउँदैन फेरि हेर न यत्रो इजी है इजी 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 comes around wins around ओके ह्याकरै हान नि त यता आम्मामा कत्रो कत्रो स्पाइक हान तर प्रफिट चाहियो मलाई आई विल नट नो 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 इन्ट्री ए इन्ट्री सिधै बुक त्यतै हो अब यसलाई 20 हालिदिन्छु केटा हो I don't need profit. I don't need profit. I need only take profit. I don't need small profit. I only need take profit. हुँदै यसले गर्दाखेरि लास्ट बिगारे मलाई टेक प्रफिटको चक्करमा Because there should be should be VIP. Good. So minor profit comes around, runs around, pinks around. चाहिँदैन यार प्रफिट त प्रफिट बुक गर्दा गर्दा टेन्सन भइसक्यो यार कति प्रफिट बुक गर्नु भोलि एसएल खाउँ त एसएल खाँदैन यार कहिले कहिले फेरि मात्रै एसएल खान्छ एसएल खाएर काउन्टर ट्रेडहरू दिनु नि भने यार गाइस गिभ मी सम गुड हैकरिश ट्रेड्स comes around comes capital that was easy reason okay okay so we are analyzing ethereum so let's see okay so this was the analysis like I was on ethereum yes so what I can see on ethereum yeah I'm expecting a good fall okay. Okay, so you can look at here, okay. So as this is the Ethereum, okay. So as look here, Ethereum can't break this zone, okay. This is the zone, okay. Ethereum can't break this zone. So market have taken a buy side liquidity right here, okay. And then market is coming down. So we can expect this might can get breakout, okay. Because market was before on the support zone and market can't able to break this zone, okay. So what market did is that this is the normal strategy, okay. Like I use on even on gold, okay, to take gold trades, okay. So what did is liquidity tap zone, and this was the selling area. Boom, easy. So now Ethereum target will be here, okay. This will be the target. Or market even can come here and give some buyers, like buyers. So like what market can do? Just try to listen, okay. यसलाई यिनीहरूलाई यतिलाई हटाइदिउँ यार यिनीहरूलाई यतिलाई हटाइदिउँ जुन चाहिँ डिलिट okay. So now what market Ethereum can do okay. So there is two probabilities. So market can break this come here okay because market have taken liquidity and given a fall okay. And the second market can like give buyers a chance okay. So as a buyers invite market can give till here this is the zone okay. So market can give a buyers invite as market to trap buyers. Okay, market can give a buyers like invitation, buyers invitation like this, and then can follow. Okay, but the Ethereum is totally chill. Okay, Ethereum BTC everything is chill. Okay, in my point of view. Okay, so let's see. So Robin Lebujio, like, did you guys understand why I'm trying to look for the sale? भोलि बिहान थाहा छ होला तिमीलाई देखाएको छ होला त नि मैले कतिखेर गोल्डमा पनि इभन यु वान्ट सेम एक्जाम्पल डु यु गाइज वान्ट सेम एक्जाम्पल डु यु गाइज वान्ट एक्जाम्पल अफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर एक्जाम्पल आई क्यान गिभ यु अ पास्ट हिस्ट्री एक्जाम्पल अफ दिस सेम स्ट्रक्चर डु यु गाइज वान्ट टेल मी खै मेसेज गरेन रविलले मैले सेम एक्सप्लेन गरेको छु यस गोल्डमा नि सेम एक्सप्लेन गरेको छ द्याट्स वाट म भनेको छ नि लाइक हेयर हेयर मैले चाहिँ बुझेँ ओके So gold, even I explained the same on gold. Yeah, तिमीहरूलाई थाहा छ होला पनि. Even market did the same thing. Okay, market ले same गरेर okay. Because these are the things. Okay, so look at here. What gold is where? Okay, so here as look same thing as same guys. Same Ethereum and this moment is same. Okay, So look here. This is the buying zone over here. This is the buying zone. Okay. So what market did? Okay. So what market did here? Okay. Look at here. Market was trying to break this one, but market was giving a huge rejection. Okay. Again, rejection again. Okay. So did this did not market want the liquidity? Okay. Market wants some liquidity, and then we can expect sell. So at least the market what did this? This was the good selling zone. Okay. Upside. This was a good selling zone. This area. You can see the previous 4 hour, okay. This was the good selling zone, okay. So what market did? Market taken a liquidity as market was rejection from here, okay. So market taken a liquidity that has gone up, lights gone up, then came down. So this the down was as market. Okay. So let me try to explain you guys, okay, properly. So as here on this point, so look at. So as we guys knew, okay. So when after take if after the taking liquidity as this was the liquidity over here, okay. So this was the liquidity over here, okay. So market taken the liquidity, each and every seller's liquidity market taken and given a fall. So on the every moment, okay, after the liquidity market will come on the same zone, okay, and after the same zone market will try to invite buyers. So look at here, buyers invitation was slow buying over there. So this will be the buy selling zone, okay. This will be the selling zone over here. So look how market came here, given a sell. Okay, so boom, easy. And this was our buying zone over here. And I was looking buy from here 92. Just because of small tips, my buy limit didn't got hit. Okay, otherwise I wouldn't have one buy on gold. Okay, so look at market break, and this was the buying zone. So the market came here, and market now again after coming buying zone, market given a bullish run. Okay. Okay, boom type of movement. So you can again look at here. Okay, same movement. Okay, so I will try to tell you guys. Okay, so look at here. Kota bandhari. So here, let me explain you guys. Kota very movement. So somewhere like let me. So दुईटा मोमेन्ट हो हिट मार्केटले के गरेर भन्दा एउटा यो yeah here just look at here. Hey, होला I guess. Look here. Okay, I got the same example. I got two examples for you guys. Okay. Okay, look at here. This was the here. This was this example, as you guys know. Okay, here we were talking about this example. This was the zone. Okay, so market take a look at it. Okay, keep back. So market take a look at it and then fall. Okay, same example. Okay, look at that. This was the buying zone here. Okay, as market was struggling to break this. So market taking a liquidity at here. Look at that. Then market invitation, buyers invitation, fall. This was the buying zone. As this was the breakout zone. Boom, bullish. These are the normal things. So BTC के गरेर हाम्रो BTC यता खेलेर जुन चाहिँ we can see BTC still I'm on running okay profit running good profit running, but I don't want profit. This small profit. Almost market is trying to give me 25 pips running right now. So market gave 35 pips. Yeah. SL was only around SL कति थियो भन्दाखेरि if you talk about SL was only around 9 pips, yeah, 99.5 pips. SL was there. Keep on the B and buy B. The same thing here, okay. So you can look at here, okay. So market was like this might can happen, okay. So market taken a liquidity and this was all the liquidity upside here, okay. Taken this liquidity and market can't buy, okay. So खासमा भन्नुपर्दा यता हेर्यो भने त market like if we see here so यतैबाट market झर्नु भने झरे पनि नझरे भने यहाँबाट झऱ्यो भने त market again taken decision. So at the end market again एउटा big full chart movement दिएपछि एउटा big liquidity जुन चाहिँ we can see here like this. These are the big clean liquidity here, okay. So I use liquidity like this, okay. To be honest, okay, people sometimes use liquidity different types, okay, but I use liquidity for the structure, right, okay. Because I'm good on these things, okay. So this there are a lot of structure, okay. Personally, I use 4 5 structure, okay. This type of structure I have like four five structure. Okay, so when market like will give some example, then I will tell you. Okay, this was the as a trend line. You can see here. This was the trend line, buying trend line. Okay, so as market taking the liquidity, everything, and right now market made a fall. So you can look at here. This was the good trend line. Okay, so market taking the liquidity. So you can expect it happened all over every month. Market came here. So this is the zone right now here. Okay, so so here, this is the zone. So from here, market came here. So let's see. Market the play गर्छ त ब्रेक गर्नुपर्ने हो जुन मार्केटले यता लिक्विडिटी हान्छ त्यो अनुसारले ब्रेकआउट गर्नुपर्ने हो है इट इज अ नर्मल थिङ्स गाइस okay यो बुझ्यो यो पनि बुझ्या हो के अरे हाम्रो ऊ त्यो रबिन ब्रदर जतिखेर आउँछ यार खुसी लाग्छ रबिन ब्रदरको डेडिकेसन देखेर बिटिसी पनि के एनालाइसिस गर्नु बिटिसी के एनालाइसिस बिटिसी सेलमा चाहिँ के एनालाइसिस गर्नु बिटिसी त यो जोनबाट चाहिँ बाई दिइरहेको छु म त्यो दुईटा जोनबाट चाहिँ बाई दिइरहेको छु यो जोनबाट बाई दिइरहेको छु जुन योभन्दा पनि हेल्पफुल जोन चाहिँ यो आइ एम लुकिङ फरवर्ड फर द बाय फ्रम दिस जोन बुलिस त्यही भएर म सेल हान्ला छु दिस माइट मार्केट क्यान गिभ मिस सेल अघि यहाँबाट सेल दिनुपर्ने किन भन्दा स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेकआउट गरिसक्यो यहाँ मार्केटले अनि इन्ट्री पनि राम्रै छ अनि एसएल सानो त एसएल खाइदिएको त ठिकै हो So I have held my heart सबैको बेमा चाहिँ भइरहेको थियो not getting over this night is only permanent हामी नि गर्ने okay guys look at the fall whole sheet fall look at the whole sheet fall so good I have held my heart is harder than yours अब चाहिँ एउटा बुक हानिन्छ बुक हान्नुपर्छ You explain it easy and chill way. It's easy to understand. खासमा गर्ने नै त्यही हो नि त इजीमा लाइक सजिलो सजिलो वेले गर्ने हो नि त मान्छेहरूले कस्तो कम्प्लिकेटेड बनाइदिएर हो नि त अब सो लिटल बिट इजी बुक लाइक अब यस्तो म प्राइज एक्सन ट्रेडर हो नि त अब अरू जस्तो म कम्प्लिकेटेड बनाउँदिनँ कि मार्केटलाई मेरो लागि एकदम सजिलो हो कि मार्केट म केही पनि कम्प्लिकेटेड बनाउनु पर्दैन अब त्यही मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर ट्रेडर मार्केटलाई अब हेर्ने आरको भ्यूले हेर्ने ट्रेडरहरू कति धेरै हुन्छन् है So like basically like there are a lot of traders okay, like who take like trades ICT, SMC, these all are things okay. These all are the complicated things I guess okay. Because I don't like include this type of unwanted things okay. I just make market so easier okay. Price action that's why. Just need something okay. Okay, go BTC common. So I booked some profit okay. So around profit grow on so this is the okay great. मलाई लिएर हान्नै दिएन क्या मलाई यता लिएर हान्नै दिएन क्या ठुलो लट लिएर हान्नै दिएन क्या मलाई ब्रोकरले खासमा भन्नुपर्दा लाइक ब्रोकर वाज बेस्ड फर द गोल्ड हो कि हान्न दिए भए त हानिहाल्थेँ मैले कति दिइरहेको थियो अब 30 दिइरहेको थियो जुन चाहिँ अब मार्केटले 15 दिइरहेको छ 15 20 भइसक्यो भनेपछि 20 के चाहियो त 20 भने 2% फर द 1000 क्यापिटल अन द विकेन्ड्स दस बिग म्यान दस बिग अझ तल आउँछ यही तर यसको टार्गेट कति हो टार्गेट हान्नु पर्यो भने अब यसको $30 टार्गेट लेट मी पुश $30 टार्गेट यो भोल्युम कहाँ हो भोल्युम टिक भोल्युम स्ट्रेट काम छैन भोल्युम Well, my heart is harder than yours. ठ्याक्कै यहाँ इन्ट्री जाँदा मैले कस्तो इन्ट्री पनि फेरि एभरेज हुन्छ क्या मैले ओके 45 pips running ओके PIP peoples इन्जोय भेटमा इन्जोय गर मान्छेहरूले 35 pips 44 pips रनिङ ओके ओके come on more fall more fall यसैले त राख्दै okay let me try okay one फेरि झार्छ यसले फेरि झार्छ झार्छ भनेकै झार्छ रिच हो क्या यार Oh, hello. My turn. फेरि स्पाइक हान्दा एउटा हल्का त्यो माथि गएर चाहिँ झर्न खोजेन भने फेरि मेरो तल आइज बिटिसी बाय हान्न मजा आउँछ तर उ त्यहाँबाट बिटिसी पनि एनालाइसिस हान्नु मिसियो अब लेट मी एनालाइज बिटिसी बिगेस्ट टाइम फ्रेम एनालाइसिस सो यही नै हो इथेरियम बिटिसी पनि लाइक बिटिसी टक अबाउट फेयर बिटिसी द लास्ट लोदर पेयर यार म्याच के बिटिसी त कहाँबाट बाय हान्ने भन्दाखेरि बिटिसीको बाइङ ओके लेट मी ड्रप फिबोनाची जुन मार्केटले यो बुलिस बनायो त मार्केट झारिदिन्छ होला हाई हाम्रो यस्तो त सेलिङ जोनबाट झऱ्यो यार सबै थोक यस्तो राम्रो जोनहरू एक्सपेक्ट गर्छ भने अब जोनमा पुग्न बित्तिकै बाइसेल हानिदिनु पर्ला अब ठुल्ठुलो जोनहरू अब सेलेक्ट मी ड्र द जोन है जोनमा पुगेपछि कि त बाई कि त सेल हान्ने त्यही हो माई टर्न यतापट्टिको जोन भनेपछि यतापट्टिको राम्रै जोन है रेकर्ड हानेन मार्केटले गरेको लेट मी चेक विकली टाइम फर्स्ट अफ अल बिटी गोल्डमा बिटिसीमा बिटिसी मैले यहाँबाट बाइनिस गरेँ नि सानो 69 सम्म कुर्देको थिएँ 69 आई वाज वेटिङ फर 69 मार्केट बिटिसी यहीँबाट उठिरहेको थियो बिटिसी पनि होला हान्ने थियो होला म बोर्डसँग ओके सो दिस इज द डेली टाइम फ्रेम डेलीले के गरेर आयो त डेलीको लिक्विडिटी हो जुन चाहिँ मार्केटले यता स्वाइप गरेर मार्केट पुगे अल टाइम हाइतिर दोगी पुगे ओके ओके सो यताबाट हाई लाग्यो त्यसपछि आएर द्याट्स प्रिटी गुड फ्रिकिङ गुड सो यताबाट सिनारियो हेऱ्यो भने चाहिँ मार्केट वाज लाइक this यताबाट market let's see so this was the zone so as market made the first breakout here successive हानेर market यहाँबाट सेल दियो so we can expect the sell like this okay so आज यसरी बनायो भने चाहिँ So tomorrow BTC everything is sale guys right now. So अहिले मार्केटले के गरेर ओके सो हाम्रो यता हाम्रो मार्केटबाट pretty tracking good. Okay, okay. So gold BTC is this up. So let me see for our time frame, for our time frame, for our time frame. Okay, so this is the buying zone I got over here. Thullo buying zone on BTC USDT is this. Okay, okay, okay. So let me put add a lot. यसको प्रिमियम त हानिहाल्छ प्रिमियम चाहिँ हाल्नै पर्छ ओके कति पर्छ प्रिमियम अहिले प्रिमियम हालेको होला लास्ट इस्यु अराउन्ड ओके सो अर्को बाइङ जोन कुरा आउनु पर्यो भने चाहिँ एउटा दिस वाज द गुड ड्रेगल जोन सो ओके सो यतापट्टिबाट यसलाई यतिले हो भने so this is the second 30 minutes if we get the 30 minutes डलर काट्ने फल हानेर मात्र हो मैले नलेको मात्र गएँ ओके so this is the good buying zone ओके 15 मिनट अब चाहिँ यसो हल्का हेरिदिउँ लास्ट लेट मी सी लास्ट ओके दिस इज द गुड बाइङ जोन कति जोनको कति पिप्सको बाइङ जोन 9869 भनेपछि यो कति पिप्सको बाइङ जोन भनेपछि दिस इज अलमोस्ट अराउन्ड 70-65 पिप्स बाइङ जोन द्याट्स नट अ बिग बाइङ जोन यहाँ मोनिटर गर्ने जोन हो ओके माई टर्न बिटिसी कहाँ 62 462 मा चल्ला okay these are two buying zone I have seen on BTC right now यिनीहरूलाई धेरै ठुलो भइसक्यो एकदमै झारिन्छ भाइ यिनीहरू फर्स्ट विक कम्प्लिट भयो सेकेन्ड विकमा फाट्यो तल बिटिसी अझ तल आउँछ केटाहरू बिटिसी त अल्टा अहिले फुल रन चालु भएन नि त ए ए इथेरियमबाट सुरु यो हटाइन्छ लास्ट गिरी गरे इथेरियम Okay, so we were on 5 minutes. Let me see. Okay. नेपाल ब्याङ्कको डलर कार्ड त काम छैन डलर लिमिट एउटा काम छैन नेपालको त केही नेपाल त नेपालै काम छैन नि नेपालको के नेपालै कामको छैन नि वी कान कम्पेयर द थिङ्स बिकज नेपाल इज नट गुड देन हाउ क्यान वी कम्पेयर द नेपाल थिङ्स माई टर्न Risk management is too important. Guys, risk management is too important. स्पाइक हान्छ होला फेरि मार्केट क्यान कम फर द स्पाइक हो मेरो इन्ट्री फेरि कस्तो सेक्सी इन्ट्री हो इन्ट्री यस्तै हुनुपर्छ केटाहरूलाई युएस ओइलको पनि सेम इन्ट्री थियो लेट सी गाइस युएस ओइल इन्ट्री हो कि लाइक आई ट्राई टु लाइक बुक हेयर हो कि आई थट मार्केट क्यान हिट लाइक कम डाउन एन्ड अगेन क्यान कम गो अप त्यही भएर क्लोजिङ गर्दैको मार्केट त मासाल्लाह 200 पिप्स यार भने त होल्ड गर्नुपर्ने छ रहेछ युएस मजाकमा ट्रेड लिँदा भएर मात्र हो तर राम्रो जोनमा त बाइङ जोनमा त युएस देखिरहेको थियो गोल्ड त ट्रेडै लिने नेसनल खाएपछि गोल्ड त ट्रेड गर्ने मन लागेन मलाई गोल्ड त भने पनि हो हेलो एज अ टोल दि गाइस स्टार्ट मैले भने पनि भनेर गएको म धेरै उस ब्रदरले आएको छ होला हाम्रो रबिन ब्रदरलाई मार्केट विल यतासम्म जान्छ भनेर बनाएर पोरेर गएको थियो नि त रबिन ब्रदर नो आई गेस क्लिन क्या? So look, how is the market hit this again? How is the market hit here? नयाँ चिज हो यिनीहरू त्यही भएर मार्केटलाई खासमा कम्प्लिकेटेड बनाउनु हुँदैन सो इजी मार्केट if you guys are with risk management market will be so easy for you guys until and unless you guys are with risk management okay when you switch your risk management your mind will be fuck manage fuck uh, mind your will be okay guys be with risk management okay be with risk management and try to make money. If I need, okay, I can flip this account on one day, but I don't need that risky, okay. I want to go slow, okay. I want to tell you guys, like even a small, like dollar account can be compounded to the big, okay. So let's see. हाम्रो रबिन ब्रदरले कति कुरा सिक्नु भयो त हाम्रो रबिन ब्रदरको अहिले लाइक कस्तो भएको त मान्छे ट्रेडिङ अनुसारको मान्छे कस्तो भएको त रबिन ब्रदर खै सुनिदिउ त मलाई सुन्न चाहिँ मजा आउँछ है फेरि इफ आई एम डुइङ समथिङ फर यु गाइज है अनि त्यो सुन्न चाहिँ फेरि मलाई मजा आउँछ क्या त्यो मान्छेहरूको मुखबाट टु बी अनेस्ट टु बी अनेस्ट थिङ comes around goes around tongue around $2 दियोस् न है खै हाम्रो रबिन ब्रदरले मेसेजै गर्नु भएन इम्प्रुभ भर्खर भने हामी ठ्याक्कै मेसेज गर्नुभएको छ इम्प्रुभ हुँदैछ learning something day by day being in the live stream and only get some knowledge from improve हुँदैछ learning something day by day being in this live stream only get some knowledge from other YouTube creators great लर्न गर्नुपर्छ ग्रेट हाल्नु भन्नुपर्छ नि केटा हो प्रफिट भन्ने चिज प्रफिटहरू लसहरू भइराख्ने चिज हो लर्निङ चाहिँ गरिराख्नु पऱ्यो गिभअप चाहिँ गर्नु भएन प्रफिट लस हुने चिज हो प्रफिट लस चाहिँ हुने चिज हो केटा है ओके सो मार्केट जोनमा आइसक्यो सो रिभर्सल जोनै हो if you talk about here this is the good zone for the buying okay this is the good zone for the buying okay BTC को good zone हो यो चाहिँ buying गर्नलाई so if I take only body okay so this is the good zone for the buying on BTC it comes around goes around highest pips I have ever kept the trade was 200 मैले धेरै क्याच गरेँ यार मैले अलमोस्ट $5,000 जति 5,000 पिप्स जति क्याच गरेँ 5,000 होइन त्यस्तै 4,000 5,000 त मजाले क्याच गरेँ यार मैले 4,000 5,000 पिप्स हाइएस्ट लाइक आई वाज अन होल्डिङ लेट मी यताबाट म बाई मारेँ कि Yeah, yeah. So here, from here, I was on buy. Okay, 30, 33, 35. Here I was on buy and I have captured single. Everything मैले capture गरेको थिएँ. Everything. Almost like it. 34, 68 तिर मैले book गरेको थिएँ. 68, 74, I have booked some portion. है. Like you can see that screenshot on my TikTok channel, on my Telegram. Okay, video. Okay. यहाँबाट पुरै क्याप्चर गरेर द सेकेन्ड इफ तपाईँको द सेकेन्ड क्याप्चर ओके सेकेन्ड होल्डिङ वाचमा ओके सो सेकेन्ड होल्डिङ वाच एराउन्ड दिस ओके 302 बाट 302 बाट यता 302 होइन यता दुईबाट ठ्याक्क दुईबाट दुई फ्रम हेयर 68 68 68 68 नट हेयर 68 ठ्याक्क यता होला कि 68 68 ओके हेयर 68 यता so as this was my second holding like 16 like 1600 pips why not 1600 pips yeah and the third I bought from here 32 32 31 32 31 as the breakout after the breakout I guess great SL सानै हुनुपर्छ मेरो पनि एसएलहरु धेरै खाएन इफ यु टक अबाउट माइन मेरो पनि एसएलहरु धेरै खाएन बेकार ट्रेडहरुको मात्र एसएल खाएर जुन बेकार बेकार लोएस्ट ग्रेड ट्रेड भन्छु नि अब अस्ति नै शुक्रबार कस्तो लोएस्ट ग्रेड ट्रेड थियो नि विदाउट कन्फर्मेसन त्यो जोनमा मैले बाय हानेको थिएँ र त्यस्तोहरुको मात्र एसएल खान्छु मतलब इफ आई टेक ट्रेड्स विथ द प्रपर कन्फर्मेसनसँग हो भने चाहिँ लाइक द ट्रेड gonna give me a lot of good profits okay almost TP2 जति हान्छ के मेरो जुन चाहिँ कन्फर्मेसन ट्रेड आई ओन्ली गिभ अन युट्युब च्यानल लाइक भिआइपी च्यानल हो क्या कन्फर्मेसन ट्रेडहरू भिआइपी च्यानलमा मात्र दिन्छ क्या अनि आफू त रिस्क लिएर हुन्छु सानो 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 जोनहरूमा पुगे बेला लाइक आई लभ टु टेक रिस्क अन माई जोन हो कि एन्ड कन्फर्मेसन ट्रेड आई ओन्ली गिभ अन भिआइपी च्यानल भिआइपी चाहिँ जोइन गर तिमीहरू भिआइपी जोइन गर्यो भने त्यहाँबाट वर्थ इट हुन्छ ठ्याक्क तिमीहरू सिग्नल पाउँछौ सिग्नल अनुसारले त्यो सिग्नलको रिजन पनि तिमीहरू बुझ्छौ त्यो सिग्नल पठाउन बित्तिकै एउटा भिआइपी जोइन गर्यो भने तिमीहरू ठ्याक्कै एउटा पर्सनल मेरो गाइडेन्समै हुन्छौ क्या तिमीहरू टेलिग्राममा सो रिजनहरू तिमी त्यो ट्रेड देख्ने बित्तिकै यो रिजनले गर्दा ल्याएर छ सो यु क्यान आस्क मी है किनभने त्यहाँ त धेरै सेटअप दिने हो नि त मैले यताभन्दा त सो धेरै हेल्पफुल हुन्छ लास्ट विक इफ यु टक अबाउट अलमोस्ट वी बुक एराउन्ड लाइक कति पिप्सहरूले बुक गरेर थियौँ भिआइपीमा सो अलमोस्ट वी बुक एराउन्ड कति भन्दाखेरि लाइक सबै जोर 1460 पिप्स वी बुक थियो कि अन्त लास्ट विक हो प्रिटी गुड है सो नेक्स्ट कमिङ विक अब मार्केट ट्रेन्डिङमा छ राइट नाउ सो मार्केट ट्रेन्डिङमा छ सो आई गेस वी गना क्यास लाइक 300 400 पिप्स अन द डेली वाइज ओके 300 पिप्स 400 पिप्स त डेली वाइज क्यास हानिन्छ अब त ट्रेन्डिङ मार्केट आएपछि त 300 pips, 400 pips on the daily wise. Okay, even if it hasn't hitting, okay, 40 pips, 50 pips, so 100 pips. At last, okay, at least market gonna hit 60 pips or 100 pips as well, okay, on the day, okay. But if you talk about the profit will be like around 300, 400 pips easily on the daily wise, okay, because market is trending right now on gold. So your Ramro zone, this was the good zone I told you guys that BTC, this was the good buying zone, okay, but I am looking forward for the buy from this below zone, okay. तर यो राम्रो राम्रो जोन हो फ्लिप हुने खालको जोन हो दिस इज द फ्लिप टाइप अफ जोन बट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिङ अ गुड बाई ओन्ली फ्रम दिस लेभल 5% हान्यो 6% अलमोस्ट यता हान्न आउँछ नि 6% The market almost given around कति दियो भन्दाखेरि मार्केट अलमोस्ट गिभ्स 1:5 1:5 या 1:5 आएर 52 pips. So you look how I managed to book my like profit, first profit book, second profit book. Okay, you can look history at market. Just scalp. Okay, ठिक छ खायो भने 3 खान्छ 3 राखेर पनि ठिक छ 3 3 3 3 3 Okay. This is my break even. This is my entry. As you can look at my entry. This is the entry. So almost I booked some good profit. As you can see my profit. Okay. This was the last month profit. Okay. On this small account. As this right now balance is only profit balance. Okay. This is the last month profit. Okay. It comes around. So I am trying to compound this account to $2,000. Okay. My first target is $2,000. So I'm gonna deposit more amount. Okay. So I know I can like easily. Okay. I can easily compound this balance. Okay. राम्रो कुरा 30 जति त प्रफिट दियो यहाँबाट 50 भनेपछि 4 3 8 8 8 5 45 45 दिनुपर्ने हो मजाले दिएर होला त 58 दिएर छ भनेपछि 4 4 4 4 4 5 त 20 20 प्लस 2 मजाले दिएर ल 6 किलो रहेछ 6 5 त 30 त्यसले 25 को लट दियो guys, everybody, please make sure to like the live stream. Okay. So we were on gold. Yeah, we were on gold, right? So gold कुरा गर्नु पर्यो भने yeah, this was the 4 hour time frame. So as this was my good zone, okay. So here, if you talk about here, कता गयो market हो? Okay. So look at here. This was my good zone for the okay. Yeah, so this was my good zone, okay. For the buying, 302. Okay, so this was the good zone, okay. For the buying, and I took even I told people okay. So buy from here, okay. Market can give you like around 1,000 pips from here, okay. I told on my Telegram channel, let me show you guys, okay. So let me tell you guys, okay. म देखाउँछु यो कुरा चाहिँ मलाई फेरि पनि देखाउनु मलाई. So you can look here. होइन यो कहाँ हो यो? Okay, look at here. Okay. So I'm expecting fly on this one from this one. Look at here. Look here, guys. Look here. No risk, no Lambo. Look my entry at that moment. Okay, I was much on profit. Okay, so look at that. What my target was. Target was 3,267. As I told you guys, 68, 68. I was telling you guys. Okay, so look here. As I told you guys, okay, I'm expecting buy from this one. This was zone was around like 32.10, 32.10. You can look. And market came here at this lowest zone, downside zone, and market gone up. Okay. So I was expecting this moment full bullish. I was full bullish on gold at that moment. Okay. So you can look my buying, okay, you can look. And if you want my holding, you can look my holding. 42. Oh yeah, look at my holding 32, 30, 40, 24, 42, 24 my entry. So look at easy, easy. Let's see. Yeah, you want again. Okay, so look at the entry 32, 34. Easy guys, easy peasy, easy peasy. My entry, I will tell you, show you guys. Look at my entry. This is one of a time frame 32, 32, 32, 98. This all was holding. So look at that. As I told you guys, this was the target. So market can go up. So look, buying it, boom. So market have gone up till 3,400 from this zone. यहाँ हेर फेरि बाई हाने फेरि पनि हाने कति धेरै हाने क्या फेरि पनि हाने सेल पनि हाने यो सेल पनि हाने छ होला झरेछ होला हेर है सेल पनि सबै झरे क्या नझर्ने कुरै आएन क्या लुक एट दि बाई है यो तलको बाई हान्छ क्या जुन आई वाज अन बाई फ्रम दिस डाउन लुक ओके सो ओके यो होइन यो अर्को स्क्यालको ओके सो मिनट होइन यो स्क्यालको ठुलो टाइम फ्रेमको मलाई इन्ट्री देखाउन मन छ कि तिमीहरूलाई कहीँ छ होला यता होइन नि 0.5 79 आम्मा म कति कति होल्ड गरेर चाहिँ मैले हेर न कति पैसा बनाउँदै मैले ओके सो हेयर 15 मिनट 33 यो पनि धेरै सानो हो 100,000 पिप्सको हो यो यसपछि मार्केट वाज स्टेबल ओके सो यु लाइक you know this isn't this buy. I'm expecting buy from here again fly. So market didn't give fly to 3,600, but market will give now fly to 3,600. Look here. So market almost give buy like 2,300 pips. 2,300 pips. Oh my goodness. Almost I booked around here 82, 82, 82, 82, 82, 82, 82, 82, 82, 82, here. I booked my profit, 82 at this point, at this week. And the last I booked here. Okay, where is BTC? BTC, 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 BTC. So gold, you can look each and everything, guys. Okay. So even I told you guys, study. हाम्रो ब्रदरलाई याद छ होला हाम्रो रबिन ब्रदरलाई याद छ होला यो मैले भनेर गएको थिएँ नि त यो कुरा मार्केटले हान्ने नै हो यतासम्म भन्नु दिस अल थिङ्स कि जोर अन द स्टोरेज जोन यो पनि एउटा राम्रो बाइङ जस्तो जुन चाहिँ इभन आई टोल्ड कि भने मार्केटले गर्ने भने भन चिज हो तिमीहरू स्टिक हुनु पर्यो के लाइक द मेन थिङ अन द मार्केट ओके सो मार्केट विल डू वाट यु टेल ओके like you are looking for the buy or something else okay your like point of view is buy bullish market will go bullish okay but you need to stick on that bullish okay to be honest like if you talk about me here was my history okay let me see history so almost market okay market remove I tried buy from here no यहाँबाट entry बेकार परेको थियो खासमा भन्दा buy यताबाट हान्नुपर्ने मैले so one SL I hit and after that I didn't take in gold trades okay so gold trade, if you want to see, so you can look the gold trade. Okay, my gold trade, I haven't taken big. Okay, so big. This was the big trade. Okay, I took, and after this scalp, like I made some good money on the scalp. Okay, on that. So you can look history, my history. Okay, so let me share my history to you guys. Okay, so look, you can look my history. This is my history. Okay, even SL I took, even profit I took. Okay, this is all my history. Okay. Even SL took even I took like some profit look and at the end if you talk about my profit you can look my profit and if you talk about last week profit okay so if you guys want to know what last week profit so let me see like let me show you guys last week profit last week profit risk management I was with risk management like almost like if you talk $221 profit okay this is the swap market commission this was the commission $31 the balance, like the deposit balance was 1100, so you can look. Profit amount is $253. So almost 25% on a week of the of the capital with the risk management. Okay, even I can flip this balance on one day. Okay, if I want to make profit, I can flip this balance on one day. Okay, 1,000 to $2,000. That's not a big deal for me because let me like recap you guys again. Okay, so तिमीहरूलाई देखाउने हो कुराहरू तिमीहरूलाई look at here like my compounding. Okay, if you want to see my compounding, look at it. Not this. Minor compounding. I will tell you guys. Okay, minor compounding. Look at this compounding. Guns around. Can you guys? Can you recreate this? Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do this? Tell me, guys. Can you do this? Oh. Can you do this, guys? Guys, okay, let me see. Like April, May मा थियो होला अर्को मैले कतिवटा आएछु कतिवटा हानेको छु हान्न त ठेगान छैन कतिवटा कुरा सेयरै गरेँ होइन मैले ग्रुपमा April, कहाँ गयो जनवरी फेब्रुअरी मार्च अप्रिल में अप्रिल में okay March पछि April right okay guys so here we can get here let me show you guys hey match कहाँ गयो यार भन्नु okay okay so here we go April को सुरु सुरुतिर छ okay look at here So can you do this, guys? Like this was a 600 like dollar I have deposited. Look, $600 dollar account compounded to $5,000. Like I made $8,000 to be honest. Okay, but at the end, like I made loss. Okay, but like the profit. Okay, but the compounding, if you guys want to know. Okay, compounding. Okay, so almost I compounded this $600 to $8,000, $8,000 on a day, on a day. And more compounding I have done. Okay, my personal $1,000 to $14,000. Okay, like before 2025. Okay, these all are only the achievements. Okay, like the things. Okay, I have done on 2025. Okay, the things, a lot of things I have done on 2024. Okay, I don't have that all history. Okay, but I would have shown you guys. Okay, because I am a trader with a 5 years experience. Okay, this is my fifth year running right now. कहाँ छ गोल्ड बिटिसी कहाँ छ बिटिसी भाइ साहब तिमीहरूलाई मेरो स्क्याल्पिङ देखायो भने तिमीहरू तर्सिन्थ्यो होला आयो तिमीहरूलाई मेरो स्क्याल्पिङ देखायो भने तिमीहरू तर्सिन्थ्यो होला Anyways, guys, do you guys want to अघि आरको क्यापिटल बढाउँदै हो त्यसपछि म स्क्याल्पिङ हान्छु मेरो मेरो क्यापिटल बढाउँदै हो त्यसपछि म स्क्याल्पिङ देखाउँछु यो क्यापिटल $5,000 नत्र 15,000 बनाउँदै हो त्यसपछि मेरो स्क्याल्पिङ देखाउँछु आई निड around like 15,000 or $20,000 okay त्यसपछि मात्र स्क्याल्पिङ हान्छु म किन भन्दाखेरि I like don't want to scalp on a smaller account like 1K, 2K, $5K account, 10K, $10,000 account. Okay. At least I need 15 to $20,000 account. Okay. Then I will show you guys my scalping. Okay. My secret. Okay. Compounding strategy. Okay. त्यसपछि तिमीहरूले तिमीहरू के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि इफ त्यति बेला इफ गाइज है इफ त्यति बेला तिमीहरू मेरो ट्रेडिङ स्टाइल देख्यो भने तिमीहरूले के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि तिमीहरूलाई नलेजै चाहिँदैन क्या ट्रेडिङ पैसा बनाउन नलेजै चाहिँदैन भनेर तिमीहरू भन्छ होला क्या त्यसमा जस्ट क्यापिटल हुनु पर्यो भनेर मात्र भन्छ होला त्यसपछि तिमीहरू आयो आयो के बुझाउनु जेरो हानिदिनु पर्ला यो भन्नु यो मार्केट हल्का राम्रो ठाउँबाट उठा 6.01 0.02 to be honest. ओके वेल क्यापिटल एन्ड कपी सिग्नलिजम त्यसपछि तिमीहरू त्यति बेला हेलो हेलो ओके सो या भोलि हान्नुपर्छ यो नयाँ विक हान्नुपर्छ नयाँ विकमा यसलाई $500 बनाउँछु $250 अझ प्रफिट बनाउँछु ठ्याक्क $500 इजी बनाउँछु $500 जति हान्नु पर्यो टार्गेट हान्नु पर्यो हसन आर यु लाइभ स्ट्रिम हसन लाइभ स्ट्रिममा छ हसनलाई थाहा मेरो स्क्याल्पमा बी हान्छ ल यसको बी हान सर बरु बी हान्यो बी हान सर I don't want profit from this account because market might can be direct TP. I don't want profit. I don't want profit from this trade. Okay. Either take profit or no profit booking. खोला पाइ गर्यो यो फोनमा ओ ल गीत सुन्नु पर्ला यार एउटा लास्ट हाल्दा चाहिँ यो रबिन ब्रदरले के गरे ठिक हो भन्दाखेरि अब म एउटा जस्ट पर्सनल एउटा सजेसन दिन्छु है 5K 100 पास हाने है 6K सो तिमी प्याउट त्यसलाई बिल्ड गर फन्डेडलाई बिल्ड गर फन्डेड पनि एउटा राम्रो लाइक फन्डेड इज अल्सो लाइक गुड opportunity for the traders. Okay? Even if you talk about me, okay, right now I have 200, 100K funded account, okay? 200, 100K funded account. एउटा ड्रडाउनमा छ एउटा प्रफिटमा छ ड्रडाउनवाला फेरि हान्नै मन लाग्दैन क्या रियल अकाउन्ट भए भएर like there is even a real account, so I don't want to take funded trades again. Like I sometimes I forgot taking trades on funded account because I have too much account to take trades. Okay, so even sometimes I miss entry because my entry will be like this, okay, minor entry, okay, from the zone, okay, and sometimes like on the second market give fall from the zone, and at this moment at this time period I open uh trading on funded account and I see market here, so why to take trades and I miss the entry and many accounts, okay. So problem, guys, so problem I have a lot of problem. Headache, too much account headache. Wait, trade 100 are best. Yes, एकदम राम्रो फोन एकदम. मैले पनि 100 पेयरहरू झिकेको छु नि राम्रो राम्रो पेयरहरू झिकेको छु पहिला बिफोर एज कोटानाबाट मैले $800 झिकेको थिएँ है $50,000 एकाउन्टबाट लाइक अलमोस्ट द्याट वाज 1.8% होइन 2% हानेको थिएँ प्रफिट फ्रम द कोटाना भनौँ अनि त्यसपछि रिसेन्टली फ्रम द फन्डिङ पिप्स almost $1,200 profit recently on the 2025 first January or February, I guess February. After that, I blew that account, funded account on one single trade. Yeah, I guess. And I guess recently on the April, I passed 100K funded account. Okay, phase one, phase two, and after on the real account, I blow that account. Okay, so like I don't like that funded account. Okay, sometimes because like there will be a lot of rules. Okay, and I'm good on real account. Okay, to be honest. Even funding, I'm good, okay, with the risk management, okay, because I have made like passed a lot of account too, and I have blown even a lot of account on the beginning, okay. So right now I'm on like 100K funded, okay, two. So let's see when I get entry, when I get some good entry, I try to take like 1:5, 6 trade there, big trade. Just a try. Only to दुईटा मात्र हानेको तिमीले ब्रो मैले कति हानेको छु यार I have blown around like 20 to 25K fund, 20 to 2500, 20, more than 20, I guess. More than 15, we can say. Because I'm like, I'm trading of like almost around like 5 years, okay. So on the 5 years, okay, I have blown like around 20 funding accounts and I have passed around 8 or 9. Only big account, I have passed like men blow, okay. So those all blow, okay, 20 to 20, like 15, more than 15 account, okay. So that was around like on the beginning, that was around 10K, 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 5K, 10K, 5K, 10K, 5K, 10K, and then later on 50K, 25, then 100K, okay. So around that's all, okay, if we come on, okay. And if you talk about the pass, okay, so almost I passed like 50K, 100K, 100K, 25K, 100K, 100K, okay, this type of pass, okay. I have never passed 10K account, okay, 10K. I have never passed 10K phase two. Phase one I have passed, but at that moment, okay, I was like beginner, okay. So I've never passed 10K. Because they go, recently I told you guys, okay. So you can see here, okay. Let me show you guys. April अप्रिलमा कता हो त ल लेट मी सो यु गाइस जुन होइन कि अप्रिल मे जुन अप्रिल ओके अप्रिल ओके so you can look here. This was the reason I told you guys on April. Okay, I passed. Okay, so this was the 100K funded. Okay, phase 100K phase one passed on through this. There at that moment, market was so bullish. Okay, it's like easy pass. I mean, and even I've blown this account on real account. Okay, I made phase to pass, but I've blown this account on real account. So that's part of game. Okay, for the funding, that's part of game. At the end, you need to shift on the real account. Okay, after having a big capital. कहिले यसले झार्नुपर्ने टिपी हान्नुपर्ने भोलि बिहानसम्म ट्रेनर पनि भेट्यो ट्रेनर कोरिदिउँ न ओके सो मार्केट गिभन लाइक गुड इभिनिङ स्टार प्याटर्न सो यता के देखेँ भन्दाखेरि मैले हल्का चाहिँ माथि जाने यार हल्का चाहिँ मलाई इन्ट्री चाहियो मलाई इन्ट्री आई निड इन्ट्री हल्का चाहिँ माथि हल्का माथि जाने यार हल्का यता माथि पुग्न यता माथि मैले देख्दै थिएन यार 5 मिनटमा प्याटर्न बनाइसकेर त्यहाँपछि फेरि इन्ट्री हालिदिन्छ र यसैले त आयो कस्तो मिस भयो यार यो इन्ट्री त हाम्रो रबिन ब्रदर चाहिँ कलेजहरू पढ्नुहुन्न क्या नपढेर नि ब्याचलर नपढेको I'm more into music production. Okay, that's pretty good. Even I want to learn guitar. छैन बाहिर पनि गएन, बस पनि जोइन भएन अनि अहिले त मन छैन। ओके, त्यही हो। म त बाहिर 12 पछि त पढ्दै पढिनँ क्या, पढ्नै मन लाग्यो। धेरै भएन मैले पनि 12 कम्प्लिट गरेँ। आई क्यान प्ले गिटार एन्ड पियानो ओके। मेरो 4 वर्ष भयो होला 12 कम्प्लिट गरेँ। 4-5 त्यही 4 वर्ष भयो। 4 वर्ष। अनि 11बाट ट्रेडिङ चालु गरेँ मैले। 10 सक्यो त त्यहाँ। कस्तो मार्केटले फ्री दिएको है सेल त यो? ध्यान दिनुपर्ने त। मैले 21 मा पास गरेँ त 21 कि 20 समथिङ त्यस्तो। Let's see BTC need to fall as BTC need to fall again. I'm expecting BTC to come here again. And my buying zone for the BTC is this. As this was the rejection zone I knew. That's why I booked some profit right over here. Okay. Kota bhai. That's why I booked some profit here. Okay. So you can look. Kota bhai. That's why I booked some profit. Okay. You can look. These are the zone. As market in there on the zone. So as I booked. Okay. So but my buying zone is this one. Okay. This one. Market कस्तो इन्ट्री नदियो यार इन्ट्री फेरि बाइङको सेलिङको आई मिन how market didn't give me selling re-entry again. हुन्छ this is the night time so market don't give like entries twice again on the night again market will be so smooth. Still if you talk about my entry so almost market is giving me 40 pips. I'll be trying buy from this area gold which buy I'll be trying from this area this area. We can expect at least 50 to 100 pips 50 to 100 pips yeah like this. 50 to 100 भनेपछि 80 well you can expect this. And this is the breakout over here. As market made the breakout over here. Simple, this was the reason for the. So I knew the market want to give as this was the share. You can look at must our sell should be from this level, okay? This particular level as market made the breakout over here. Retrace this wait for confirmation as this is the zone. Go for the sell. The sale target will be always like 1.7 something here. Although if you take Fibonacci from here to here, okay. So basically the gold is not okay. Market can fall for the gold is not okay because market is very right now. Okay, so you can look. And if you talk about the BTC long target, okay. So BTC long target is this. So I have put like a notification alarm. So if market is coming here, then I can try again about. And if you talk about Ethereum, so Ethereum already I have mentioned this. Already I have explained it easily okay on the Ethereum and what market is trying to do. So I'm expecting that it's a breakout like this and come today. Comes around, comes around. Or market can do like this. Market will go and buyers invite something till here. And this will be the selling, or this will be the selling zone for you guys again. So market can invite buyers to the slow buying market can give like till here and then fall. So this might can happen. Okay? Or market might can break like this and fall direct. The market will go from here. This will be selling zone. So even for Raham Anya, if market same thing go Rasa, we can try Ethereum. Okay. So this is the as we know, this is a good zone. No? So the selling. So that's it. If market is doing something like this, coming here, then we can look for the sell lines. बिर्सी बता फेरि हल्का उडे क्या हल्का उडाएर ओके खाना आउँछ एकचोटि चाहिँ पाइँदैन भाइ लिमिट हान्दैन खाना यहाँ भाइ सब अझ हानेन यार सेलिङ what the fuck market is trying to do हान्दै अब के हुन्थ्यो यसको बाबु के जान्छ यार हातिन्छ त आज दुबईको रेजिस्ट्यान्स बिल्डिङमा नि आगो लाग्यो। दुबईको रेजिस्ट्यान्स सुनिरहेको थिएँ मैले। Market is too slow, guys. Okay, market can even do like this. Okay, so as this was the let's get on the yeah, trading view. Cost per big uh, so market might can even do like this. Okay, yeah, another point of view. Okay, 618 we expected 618 expected. So also alive. Overall, I'm looking still. Uh, multi day. Even market can do go again. Okay, by the I guess okay, but overall, market is still very second. So let's see. Because this is the level, okay. So market is taking a rejection from this level. So to break this level, okay. So to break this level, market can go for the liquidity. This liquidity or either this high, okay, this high liquidity. And this is the liquidity over here, okay. So market can come, grab this liquidity, and then market can make a fall ahead. The market can break this. As this market can follow like that. But I don't know, like even market can break this right now. Okay, so market this is the liquidity we know here, right over here, and we know this thing, and even we know this is a good buy, like good engulfing area over here. So market is trying to get reaction from here, so market can go like this. So let's see. Don't gonna fall. But overall, I'm bearish on gold, bearish. So I will not take bullish trade. Okay, on bearish. Only selling trades. Okay. कन्ट्रामा हानेर त बायाँ हान्न खोजिरहेको थिएँ कन्ट्रामा केही उ त्यो हानेर त 2 मिनटमा यस्तो हानेर त जुन चाहिँ लाइक ट्रान्जेक्सन बुलिस त्यसपछि बेरिस फेरि एउटा बेरिस आउने बेला हुँदैन फुल ब्याक दिएको थियो बाइङको लागि पनि एउटा के देखायो भने बायाँ हानिदिउँ भनेको अहिलेसम्म देखाएको छैन मार्केट मार्केट मार्केटमा के गर्नु नि यो हाई 6-7 गर्नु अनि बाई हाल्नु जम्मा अर्को बेला I'm going to sleep see you tomorrow maybe okay brother भोलि मुभ आउँछ ल बिटीमा नि भोलि हाल्छु ट्रेड भोलि लाइभ ट्रेड हाल्नुपर्छ बिटी गुड नाइट गाइस गुड नाइट ओके हामीहरू दुई but no sir no buy honestly कस्तो लोदर क्यानलहरू बनाएर third market last though okay see you guys tomorrow